In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Drive. Voice typing is a fantastic tool for those who want to boost their productivity or simply prefer dictating rather than typing. Whether you're writing a lengthy report or jotting down some quick notes, using your voice can be a game changer. So let's dive right into it and explore how you can make the most of this feature within Google Drive. To begin, we first need to access Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, you'll see a variety of options. What we need to do next is initiate a new Google Doc, and to do that we click on the prominent New button, usually found on the left side of your screen. This button is your gateway to creating a plethora of documents, including Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Google Docs to create a new document. This is where we'll be performing our voice typing, so give it a moment to load up on your screen. When your blank document appears, it's time to navigate to the toolbar located at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on a tab labeled Tools. This is your starting point for accessing a bunch of useful tools that Google Docs has to offer, one of which is our focal point today, voice typing. Click on the Tools menu and a list of options will drop down. Among them is voice typing. Go ahead and click on voice typing and you'll notice a microphone icon appearing on the left side of your document. Now, here's where the fun begins. Before clicking on that microphone icon, ensure that your device's microphone is functioning properly. Most modern devices have a built-in microphone, but if you're experiencing issues, check your system settings or consider using an external microphone for better clarity. Once everything is set, click the microphone icon. You'll notice it changes color to indicate that Google Docs is now listening and ready to transcribe your words into text. Speak clearly and naturally and watch as your words appear on the screen. If you need to pause, simply click the microphone again and it will stop recording. Remember, you can always go back and edit any discrepancies that appear in the text. And there you have it, folks. You are now equipped to use voice typing in Google Drive, a feature that can undoubtedly enhance the efficiency of your workflow. Happy dictating and enjoy the newfound speed and convenience voice typing can provide.